Alrighty, welcome to Cam's Art Out of the Fire. This lesson we're going to be making a pair of LARP pants or reenactment pants out of a mixture of linen and wool. Not linen and wool, cotton and wool. This is a blend. This is already layered over, so it makes it easy for me to start. This is 4 layers of the material laid out flat, so I can start the project. You're going to need rope or twine. I got a bit of rope that I got from the... Alrighty, sorry about that. The hard drive, the memory card died. So, you're going to get this from your local Spotlight or local craft shop. You're going to need that for your ties. Chalk, scissors. I marked out the copy going around the pants. Would have folded in half. Due to you want to have the extra piece of the fabric an extra inch around the whole lot. At the top you want an extra 2 inches because you're going to need to fold it over to make a sock so you can slide the cord through. So you go around with the chalk as marked out, then go around and cut it out. So I'll show you that when we get to that stage. Now cut out. Take that. Don't need these bits, put them aside, you may need them for something else later on. So now you should have 2 halves because of the way that you fold. So you're going to need to take that off to the side, grab one of the legs, fold over and run up the inner leg all the way till you get to the center crutch point up here. Do not go any further past that point, and I'll show you that once I get that bit done. You got them. I forgot to say before, you will need to put a seam in. Fold over and do a little bit of a seam on the edge. It makes it easier so you can actually sew them together so you don't fray as quickly. Now, turn one of the legs inside out. So that way you can actually sew the actual inner bit in, because this makes it so much easier to do the seam along the front front to back, because you sew that section from top to bottom all the way around, come to the cross, will come to this section. Not sure if that's in focus or not. Can't really see. Then all the way around, and then we'll go to the next page, so I'll show you that in a second. Okay, now that you've sewn those up, you need to fold the edges over to about 2 inches, because that about 1 inch to 2 inch. So you've got a hole making a socket going along here, and then you need make sure you leave 2 panels undone at the very beginning, at the end, because you're going to need to be able to slot the cord into this. So I'll show you that once we get to that stage. Okay, from this stage you're going to need your cord, wrap it around yourself and add an extra 20 centimeters to each end of it, so that way you've got enough to go around and tie off at the end. Then when you get to your piece, tie a knot in it, so that way you don't fray it while going through the hole. Make a double knot because it makes it easier to pull through the hole. Grab a safety pin or an nappy pin, whatever you got floating around. Put that on the front of it, like so. Okay. From there, you need to slot it into here and pull the cord all the way around, slowly working it around and into the pants, all the way around until you get to the end. I've already gone 20 centimeters just by rocking it between my fingers backwards and forwards with the knot and the pin in front of it. So, and yeah, so do it that way, and you get to the point where you'll get all the way around. I'll show you that when. Now you got it like this. You got it through. This is the best time to try it on to see if you need to lift up the legs, because not the ends of the. So you do your seams, not seams, hem the bottom of your pants at this stage. And once you've got that done, you're pretty much done. So we'll get this, I'll try it on and I'll see how it goes, and I'll see if I need to. Alrighty, so here's the finished pants. I've put it on the mannequin so you guys can see what it looks like. But yeah, so like, comment and subscribe, and feel free to check out any of the other videos. I'm going to put some at the end credits, so feel free to check them out, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one, so have a good one.